Are you an entrepreneur, or a startup company, or a medium-scale business owner looking forward to start up a trucking company from scratch, or you already have a trucking company that needs help? If yes, you are at the perfect place. A huge revolution in trucking and dispatching loads is here. Cedric Liggett is an agency that specializes in helping people, companies, and organizations to start up any type of trucking company from the scratch. And if you already have a trucking company, we can also help manage it by dispatching loads for you to any destination of choice. At Cedric Liggett, we work with dry van, reefer, flatbed, step deck, car hauling, semi-trucks, box trucks, 2x4 ton and 1 ton dually trucks, hotshot trucks, and so on. We can also do all of your front and back office work for you. These and many more of our services include, but not limited to, we will provide you with a qualified office assistant or office secretary for your trucking company. We can set up your limited liability company, LLC, employer identification number, EIN, operating authority, motor carrier number, MC, and Department of Transportation number, DOT. We can also help you attain a small business administration loan to get your equipment. Our agency can help you reestablish your credit to get funding and/or loan for your trucking company. At Cedric Liggett Agency, we will actualize your trucking company dream. Schedule a free call with us today at www.cedricliggett.com.